bar for some great barbecue. So right now we're in northern Italy and we're with Lodi from Grillo. And this is not too far from where we're staying in the beautiful town of Treviso. Right near Paese, ma tutto il mondo Paese, vero? So oggi facciamo, we're doing old style grill here. We're using hardwood from the forest, the boschi. Legno di boschi. Legno di boschi, which is an assorted hardwood. We're going to throw it in the hopper back there. And as it burns down and makes the hot coals. The hot coals, c'hai lo sapore di legname, fuoco, right? È vero, right? So what we got going on here is polenta bianca, aspetta. Polenta bianca. Salsiccia delicate di maiale, è vero. We got some pork sausage on the grill. We've got some pork chops. Some pork chops. Say pork chops.
Bracciole di maiale. Sì.
Bracciole di maiale. And we've got la gallina. Oh, pollo grande, non so. What he's doing is he's taking flattened chicken, pounded out with some proprietary spices, some la bracia, the hot, all on the bracia, and then we've got. It's just simply prepared and chopped in multiple pieces and served to your guests, okay? Then we have beautiful ribs. Backside and front. Not slow roasted, but on the bracia, vero? So after he takes this beautiful rib, he slides it over here, come a little closer. And what he does, he's turned the rib over because he can see the bone. And the bone gives you that illumination. And ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa, look at that.
Beautiful. And what we got is that beautiful little tender pork rib. Isn't that nice? And that's how we do it at Grillo. Thank you, Troy.
Niente, è stato un piacere.
Beautiful.